Hey guys, active YouTuber here. Daily uploads here. So, yeah, as you can see, 1 week ago, 3 weeks ago. Yeah, yeah, basically, yeah, I haven't been doing much uploading, and I need to get back to it, so let me know what you guys want to see. But anyway, so I'm gonna talk extra fast, so you guys don't have to put it on 2 times speed. Basically, this is gonna be like a devlog, kind of show you guys what I've been working on. And so basically, this is Python. Let's look it up. Python is an interpreted, high-level, general-purpose programming language. Right to the point. Alrighty. So the first thing I did was I made like a text-based adventure game. Yeah. So let's do okay. How do I view? Oh, enter presentation mode. There we go. Okay. And it's lagging. This is awesome. This is super cool. Oh, it's not lagging. It's just not working for whatever reason. Alrighty. So, let's see. We're gonna run. I think this is the right one. This is not the right one. This is... Oh, okay. Well, we're off to a great start. Run. No. Okay. Run. This is what I want. Scratch. I think this is the right... Okay, what's your name? There you go. I'm gonna write Eolus. There we go. How do I fill screen? There we go. What is your name? Eolus. These aren't very long, but what's your name? Eolus. Welcome, Eolus. Do you want to be a mage, archer, or paladin? Kind of based around the PvP I've been making on olympus.network. Yeah, olympus.network. So I'll go as a mage. Alright, Eolus, do you wish to start an adventure? Now, I can say no. Oh. So, it's work in progress. Basically, it's supposed to just say that and then end the program, but for whatever reason it continues anyway. So, we'll restart the program, and we won't say no this time. Because it basically just breaks. Start an adventure. Yes. Wish to go on a quest, Eolus. Alright, I'll see what I can come up with. Somewhere very far away. Wait, what? Oh, okay. No, this is right. I'll see what I can come up with. Somewhere very far away, there's a land called Undergrad. I don't know, I just made up random names, basically. I don't know, I'm probably, like, too low. There. That's weird. I'm gonna just have good posture for a minute. Alrighty, there's a place called Undergrad. Once I send you there, there's no going back, and I'll never be able to speak to you again. And then, I haven't made, like, I've only made one place, which is 1. And so as you can see, I'm assuming none of you guys are familiar with Python, but if there's like 2 people out there that do, here's how it works. So it gives off a random number. Hopefully this will be understandable to people who aren't familiar with coding. Gives off a random number between 1 and 5, and then where, which is the variable, which could either be 1 through 5. If where equals 1, then you go to Vanita. This is else if. That's what elif stands for. Else if where equals 2, you go to Ernad. And then 3, Kogord, I don't know these names. 4, Hudub. And then 5 is Hafaud. This is how I made these names. Oh, let's make a name, okay. Blah, 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 blah. Huto. Great. Anyway, for the time being, I'm going to get rid of the random, and I'm just going to make it 1. So we'll only go to Avenida, because that's the only one I've developed. As you can see, this 3 right there. 2, 3, 4, and then 5. But each one only has like 4 lines. But this one has like a bunch. Like 19, I think? Yeah. Anyway. Why? Hello? Okay. So, now that it's going to actually be 1, let's bring it back up. And we'll start it all over again. Aeolus is my name. Archer is my game. Yes, I want to start an adventure. Okay, I'm in Veneta. Once I send you there, there's no going back, and I'll never be able to speak to you again, because this is the narrator kind of talking, you know. You wake up sweaty, and you smell the delicious scent of barbecue. You open your eyes, and you see a quaint village with a homely atmosphere. Or homey atmosphere? I don't know. You stand up and start walking toward the village. Do you talk to the people, go into a house, or go toward the center of the village? Now, first, I'm going to pick, and you have to be exact with your wording. Otherwise, it won't work. Wait. Oh, and you start walking to the village. So your 3 options are talk to the people, go into a house, or go towards the center of the village. And yes, you can copy and paste, and that is exactly what I will do. I'm gonna go into the house, and it'll automatically, like, you can type it anywhere, and it'll just automatically work. Anyway, I'm gonna go into a house. I think that's right. There's a space there. Yes. I hit enter. You enter a house and find the source of the barbecue. Someone sees you enter the house, and you are burned at the stake. And that's it. You're dead. So, we'll try again. I'll see if I can speedrun this one this time. Okay, and then blah blah blah. Same thing. So I did go into a house. So I'm gonna do talk to the people, and then you say hello to the people of the village, and they stare at you like you're a dead. It should like they stare at you like you're a dead man walking, but for whatever reason they decided to write, and they stare at you like they're staring at a dead man walking. You ask, why are you looking at me like that? And they start pretending that you don't exist. Someone walks towards you, and their shadow looms over you. In a booming voice, they say, "Hey, lunch meat, will you fight me?" Now you have to say yes or no. So, I'm going to write no. Actually, yeah, I'll write yes. You say yes, and the giant walks towards you, staring menacingly. He yells, "Fight!" and his massive fist squishes you, and your spine breaks forward. Maybe dueling a giant with no weapons or armor was the best idea. Okay. And then, if I were to write no, which I'll see if I can do that quick. Okay, and then start walking. Go. Oh no, it's talk to the people. Boom. And then I say no. Let's say I will not fight you. You decline, and the giant looks disappointed. I don't care. The giant kills you. So that happens. And then for the final one, which is as far as I've gotten, because it's very painstaking to do this stuff, because it's just each choice has to be individually programmed, which gets a little tedious, I'm gonna be honest. So let's see, it's go towards the center of the village. I must have screwed up the go towards the center. So, that's annoying. Mage, yes. I better get it this time. I will not copy and paste. The center of the village. That's right. There we go. You walk towards the center of the village, and you pass by multiple stores, a magic store, and an armor store. You want to go to the armor store, the magic store, or continue along to the city, which I forgot to write. Anyway, that's all as far as I've gotten for the most part. I think I can actually write the magic store. I don't know. This might be as far as I've gotten. Yeah. Anyway, that's this one. And then my other one is a little bit more experimental, and I kind of like it for being that. There we go. Alrighty, so we're going to do run, and run scratch 2. This is Olympus Battle, kind of very, very loosely based on the PvP and olympus.network. And the IP will be in the description. Anyway, so there's a bunch of classes. It's like a class-based PvP, or kit PvP. And so these are 3 of the different kits in the game. The Paladin has yet to be added, but it will be in time. Anyway, what class do you want? Pyro, Archer, or Paladin? I'm going to say... Well, I'll say Paladin. I haven't played with Paladin much. Okay, you pick Paladin. An enemy approaches. I will cut them. You use the move Cut. You damage the enemy. Their health is at 70. The enemy didn't hit that hard. Your health is 84. I will cut, because I haven't developed a block yet. As I realize, it's not that hard to do, so I could have done that. But I didn't, so yeah. Tell me if you, by the way, if you have lasted through this long to the video, I'm assuming you enjoyed it. So, let's see how long was it actually. Yeah. If you want to see, like, dev streams, maybe, or just development videos, let me know, and I would be happy to make those, because those are really fun for me, personally. And if you guys would like that, that'd be cool, too. Anyway, my health is 84. Okay. I cut, you use the move cut, and I damage the enemy. They are now at 40. The enemy didn't hit that hard. Your health is 57. And then if I do empty, because there's 4 move slots, right? I have cut and I have block, but I don't have empty. Or I don't have the other 2, which are empty. So if I write empty, he's gonna hit me. Nice try hurting the enemy, it says. And then he's still at 40, and he didn't hit that hard, but my health is now at 41, so we're pretty much tied. If I can land a good cut attack, I will be just fine. So the enemy didn't hit that hard. Oh, this is closer than I'm comfortable with. Cut. I think I killed him, yes. Good job, here's some cash. My money is now 50. Welcome to the store, and that's as far as I've gotten. But I can now replay. We'll play as the Archer. This one's the most boring by far, but we'll say shoot. Okay, I did 30 damage. Okay, shoot again. He is hitting that hard. I don't know why. The enemy hit hard. There we go. He actually hit me hard. Oh, no, it died. Oh, gosh. Maybe I'll cut instead. Yes. Okay, I think I got this game. And then I shoot to finish him off. Yes, I got him. Okay. And then the third and final one, the Pyro is most developed out of the 3 kits. Anyway, here it is. We'll first off, we'll start with the punch. Punch. You damage the enemy for 10, not much. And the enemy hit hard. So I have some catching up to do. Yeah, my health is at 58. So he is, 32 ahead of me. So if I burn, I can actually it'll deal fire damage, so I'll burn the enemy, and he'll take repeated damage of 5 per round. So even if I write empty, it'll still do 5 damage. So let's write burn. You use the move burn. You burn the enemy, and I damaged the enemy, so he's at 45. Oh, I might still lose. That's not good. He's he's doing very well. Yes, I got him. Because the burn does 40. It should probably do less, I'm going to be honest. But, obviously, all these things are still in development, so... Let's see. Yeah. So I got him. Oh, I actually got him down to perfectly 0. Yeah, because it deals 40 damage and then 5 for burning him. So, maybe it's been defeated, and you get some cash. That is all for today. If you did enjoy, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.